Afternoon, YouTube. Just a quick update on the 91 Dakota project. After a summer of work, getting all kinds of stuff scratched off the whiteboard, we managed to get this girl running. And yeah, I had the exhaust put in and did some work on the ignition timing, all that. The interior put in, all kinds of other stuff. So we'll give her a little turn here for you. You hear that 340 rev right up. It's a little cold here in Canada, so we got a lot of exhaust back there. But she did a 13.7 at the quarter mile, and we're gonna do a little bit of work this winter and see if we can't bring that ETA down just a little bit. Open up the hood for us. Yep, that's 1971 340 in all its glory in 91 Dakota. Anyway, that's the update, guys. She's running good. Have a good one.